went to sleep last night talking about he's ordering a bulldozer, gang. Just stop. Like, okay, we gotta stop. Alright, we actually gotta stop. The nigga Fanum last night asked me, how much you care about that crib, bro? I said, bro, I ain't gonna lie, it don't matter. That nigga said he ordering a bulldozer, gang. Like, where the fuck do you even get that shit from, gang? So that's why I'm trying to tell niggas, just chill, bro. Because when niggas say they gonna do something, they actually gonna do it, bro. You feel me?